A warm welcome to you from Good to Excellence, and I'm so glad you are here today for our next lesson on transition words or connectors. These are those words and phrases that link one idea to the next and are so important to make our communication interesting and effective. Let's look at one such word today, a word of comparison. When two things are alike, what do we call them? Similar, right? Likewise, when two actions or thoughts are alike, we say similarly. Hi, I am Archanakalele from Good to Excellence, and we are your online partner to learn IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, CELPIP, and English communication. Call on the displayed numbers for your learning needs. Today, we will discuss the connector and conjunctive adverb similarly. Please watch this video till the end as we are going to talk about the meaning and use of similarly in sentences. So, what do we mean by similarly? Very simply, it means in a like manner. Similarly should not be confused with same. Similarly does not mean the same, but nearly the same. We use similarly to say that something is so closely like something else that they are comparable. Other terms that may replace similarly are likewise, in almost the same way. Similarly is used to compare the likeness between two thoughts, ideas, or action, as I told you earlier. Let's look at a few example sentences to illustrate the use of similarly in sentences. See, I don't like cats and my sister doesn't like dogs. So, how I can use similarly in a sentence to tell you the same thing? I don't like cats and similarly my sister dislikes dogs. I try to teach the same things to my children that my mother taught me when I was young. Now, to tell you the same thing, by using the word similarly, I'll say, I was taught to clean the house from a very young age. Similarly, I have taught my children to clean up after them. Now, look at the example again. I was taught to clean the house from a very young age. I have taught my children to clean up after them. I have omitted similarly here. Now, without similarly, it looks like this sentence gives us two facts without highlighting the connection between the two. Now, let's check the next sentence. I was taught to clean the house from a young age. Similarly, I have taught my children to clean up after them. Now, we have a definite connection between the two, namely, the two actions are alike. And that is the purpose of using this word similarly. Let's look at how to place similarly in sentences. Similarly appears at the beginning, middle, and at the end of the sentence. Now, at the beginning of a sentence, similarly is used to say that something is similar to something else in a previous sentence. For example, I may say, I took up French in college. Similarly, my sister decided to take up German in her second semester. Here, we both felt a foreign language would be beneficial. Similarly is written with a comma after it at the start of the sentence. Can you check this sentence again? Similarly, after similarly there is a comma and then I said my sister decided to take up German in her second semester. Similarly is also used as a conjunctive adverb and is used to join two independent clauses. It is preceded by a semicolon and followed by a comma when it comes to punctuation. I took French in college. Now after that give a semicolon. Similarly, comma, my sister took German. Similarly may appear at the end of the sentence too. We will check it in example. When they heard about the explosion, both my parents reacted similarly. It acts as a qualifier. That was similarly a word fairly commonly used in day-to-day language. It appears more often in writing than in speaking. While speaking, it is more common to hear people say in the same way or almost the same thing. However, its use is not uncommon. So whatever we have learned so far, quickly go through the summary. Similarly is an adverb used to connect and compare two thoughts, ideas or actions that are alike. Some parrots can speak very clearly. Similarly, many mynas are very quick at picking up a language. Similarly means likewise, in a similar manner or almost the same. Gold prices have dropped drastically. Similarly, silver prices have declined in recent times. Or the cost of fuel has gone up considerably. Similarly, the cost of food items has risen. Similarly appears at the beginning of a sentence to show a comparison with something in the previous sentence. We place a comma after it. We will be doing a trip to England this year. Similarly, my brother has planned a trip to Europe this summer. Similarly joins two independent clauses separated by a semicolon. Cats love chasing rats. Similarly, dogs love chasing cats. Similarly may appear at the end of a sentence. In the care of their young, lions and tigers behave similarly. We have a short quiz for you about the word similarly. So you know what to do now. Pause your video and take the quiz. What you need to do? You need to choose the right option in the sentence given. I hope you got all the answers right. That wasn't too difficult, was it? We have many such videos, so please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified for the next video. And we will also like if you drop your queries in the comment section. Look out for our next lesson and practice, practice and practice. Now bye till the next video.